Outfit namin, guys.
Paligid yan, hindi naman sila nakikita.
Bakit nakataas?
Natatawa nga ako ng puta.
Yung mukha! What? Sasakit naman yung
Say hello to the vlog.
Okay.
Pakita mo na lang, is this a video? Is this?
Pwede ba to? Tanungin.
Is it allowed?
No.
Is this allowed?
No. Yan na guys, sasakay na kami.
Kasi naman pala.
Yan.
Feeling ano?
Ano na?
Pinakurapit eh.
Tara, yun natin. Let's go. Let's go!
Sorry. Nakalive. Hey guys.
Sa camera yung pagka-toxic niya.
Nakuhin sa camera guys.
Sorry, here.
Yeah.
How many you heard?
10?
10.
Okay.
10.
Dito na kami guys. Vlog takeover na to. Oh guys. Oh. The vibes. Ang ganda ng vibes oh. Very, ano nga?
Very light.
Dahan-dahan naman paglakad mo.
Light.
Uy, dyan Kirby.
Okay, guys.
Maanggang.
Say hi.
So, anong thoughts mo going to Disney ngayon? First time? Bakit umuulan?
I think it's...
Yung rason kung bakit umuulan. Feeling ko, labas ng daan. Uy!
Tapos nag-slow mo kayo doon.
Patingin niya ako nung... Excuse me po, excuse me.
Ay,
VIP.
VIP.
No filming. No filming. No filming. Ito kami sa harap, kala nyo.
Uy, yung mga matatangkad talaga humaharap. Ano thoughts mo? Ba't umuulan? Ay,
Ayaw.
No filming.
Nagtatampo siya.
No filming.
case closed daw, case closed. The chapter is now closed. We will not entertain any comments. Oh,
Charot. Ano? Magana to ba? Oh my God. Guys, nakasakay na kami. Ito na.
oh,
Ano na siya?
sira na cellphone.
Si Auntie Andrew, Ate Rain, Kuya Waki, Ate Joanne.
No reaction. No reaction, tige.
Snowplow, Cape Bear money.
Videoin ko kayong dalawa. Bibidyoin ko.
Snowbirds. That's where I keep my money.
Sayaw, no reaction. Hindi ito lang. Oh my God! Oh my God! Hello! Oh my God!
No reaction. Ano yun? No reaction. Ito na naman eh.
Dapat kasi naka 0.5. Naka 0.5 nga. ano?
Tao. Pakilalagay. Oo.
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 Ano? Pwede.
Gag.
Random naman.
Yung pero nakagrupo eh.
Ha?
Parang yun lang yun pero nakagrupo.
Hi guys, nakasakay na kami. Yay!
Gusto kita. Wala yung buko. Wala, binabibitawan ko siya. Kalma lang siya, kalma. Kalma lang siya. Pampatuyo lang to ng damit. Uy, may powder siya.
Okay, tingnan niyo ang view. Wow! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh!
Oh my God! Walang titingin! Walang titingin!
Ayan na.
Kuya, stop the spaceship! Tigris Ano yun tuloy? Stop na!
Wala na.
Yun na yun? Oh. Kala din naman talaga.
Scan complete.
Wow.
Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friend. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you...
Bakit ako nauuna? Wait lang daw.
Dentro del elevador en todo momento. Y por favor, vigilen a sus niños pequeños. Gracias.
Ano? Masasabi mo? Maganda.
Eh, hindi ko pa na-experience.
Okay guys, nandito na kami. 1, 2, and 6 daw. Okay. Ayan na guys.
Enter the gantry lift.
Starting with row 3, we're going to do the top row on the right, followed by row 5.
Nawala. Transport.
Row 2, come on in. You guys are going to be middle right, and row 5 right after. Make sure all bags are off our bodies. Okay, seatbelts go left to right. By row 5. Park them. Perfect. And tug on the other guys.
Uy, guys, ba't
And my middle row seatbelts are...
Ayoko na parang siyang Vikings pero iba. Parang na-record din ba yun?
Nahiwalay na.
Daniel! Ang daming mura!
Nahiwalay na.
Saan? Uy!
Ay, kaya.
Masyado pala natatay si Papa. Tara na. Hi guys.
Okay ka ba ika?
Oh my God.
Decision is.
The decision is not decision.
Imagine if like this was facing down. There's another one.
Nananahimik ako dito.
May isa pa eh.
Wala talaga itong takas. Dito talaga basa talaga.
Slow pa naman.
That's lame.
Oh my God, ang baho! Baka na seatbelt, guys. Uy! Uy!
1, 2, 3, talo.
Oh!
Uy! Oh my God, papasok kami. Hello? Ayan. Ano na?
Nice. It's a bit chilly too, man. Hey, we're done now.
Oh, shh.
That wasn't too bad.
different.
Lagi dito yung
Libreng ligo pala to.
Sabi sa inyo, dala kayo sabon eh.
Magpapatuyo tayo sa roller coaster.
Oo, kaya.
Okay guys, tapos na. Okay, bye-bye na.
Hey, we're not good.
Ha?
Hey guys, get on the stroller, go get mama. Go next ride. Oh wow, yes.
Okay guys, nandito kami sa kay Ariel daw. Huh? Basta yun. Ganyan siya. Okay guys, ito na. Woo! Nagulat ako, escalator pala yun.
Escalator.
Hindi sila mabibidyohan. Hi guys, andito naman tayo. Ayan na. Uy, ayan o. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi.
There was lots of dancing and singing.
Ito yun o. Mukha kaming nasa tubig pero hindi. Ayan guys. Uy! Oh! Okay. Wow! Sa taas! Sa taas! Ay, bakit?
Ayan.
Laki ng mata mo, B.
I wanna see them dancing, walking around our nose. What do you call it?
Play.
Oh my God, effort.
Oh, sino kayo dyan? Eh!